there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to make this very pretty flower bracelet. It looks complicated, but it's actually very simple to make. I will be showing you guys the step-by-step guide on how to make this very pretty bracelet. This is how it looks on my wrist. It is so cute and delicate. Okay, let's get started. First, let's prepare some beads for the bracelet. I am choosing the red 4mm beads. You can also do it with any color of your choice. And also, I am using the pink one. You will also be needing some smaller beads, like the 3mm pearl beads I'm using. So these will go in the center of the flowers, and those are the petals. For the string, I am using the clear string, and I'm going to be getting about 50 centimeters. You can also use any kind of strings you have, as long as they are flexible enough for bends and turns. So the first step is to add a jump ring to the start of the bracelet. I will choose this small silver jump ring. For other materials, you can check out my online store at sophiasurprise.com. I have a link in the description and also in my bio. So we're just going to add this jump ring to here. So now the string is split in two halves, the left one and the right one. Then I'm going to add one of the 4mm beads on one side of the string and insert the other side of the string back into the hole like this. So this becomes a cross, and I hold both sides with my finger and pull it downward. So now the two sides are equally divided. Now I'm going to add 2 beads to the left side and 2 beads on the right side. And the next step, I will get both strings together, and both the left and the right will go through the hole of this pearl. Like this. So the next step, I'm going to get the pearl to the center of the petals. I'm going to do so by folding this toward myself. Like this. And now I take the right side of the string and insert it through this and this bead. Okay, and now do the same for the left side. So this string toward this and this bead. Okay, so it should look something like this. To finish this faux flower, we're going to be adding another 4mm beads, and we're going to cross through this. So right side into the bead and also the left side. And here you got a full flower. Then add one red bead or any other color of your choice to the left side and take the right side to go through it to make a cross. Then add 2 beads on the left and 2 beads on the right, just like how we did it with the pink flower. And then put those 2 strings together and both go through this pearl. Should look something like this. Next, fold the pearl toward myself down to the center of the petals. Like this. Take the right side of the string and insert it through those 2 beads. And same thing on the left side. The string goes to those 2 beads. Okay. Now add one more right bead and cross it over with the right side and pull it to the flower. And here we finish making another flower. It's a red one. If you like to make flowers with different colors, feel free to do so and make a very colorful bracelet. But for me, I am going to continue with the light pink one, so it's going to be alternating between pink and red. So I am now repeating the pattern we've already done. So this is very simple. And add 2 beads on the left and 2 beads on the right. This down and take the left side, go through those 2 side beads. And repeat on the left side. finish it off is adding one more pink bead. And here we finish another flower. For the rest of the bracelet, you already guessed it, we are going to keep repeating the pattern until we reach the length that we wanted. I am going to show you guys one more time on how to make the flowers, but feel free to skip to the end of the video to see how I finish the bracelet. Okay, now finally to finish off the bracelet, I am going to be getting more jump rings and special beads for the finish. So I am using this silver bead, it looks like this. So this is to secure the loose end of the bracelet, and I'm also going to use another jump ring. So I am going to insert both strings inside this bead, like this. And one string goes through this jump ring, and it returns back to here. And then I'm going to do the same for the other one. It goes through the jump ring. And return back to the securing bead. Then we're going to pull on both strings to make this tighter. So I am holding the jump ring with my right hand and pull the string with my left hand. And do the same on the other side. And here it's all done. The last step to do is to push this little thing over here to the inside, so it will secure the strings very tightly. I am using a plier to push this little extension into the strings. Okay, so now you see the little extension have gone inside, and now we're finished of securing the bracelet. Next, I am going to cut off the extra strings. And lastly, we're going to be adding the extensions and the lobster clasp to the bracelet so that we can adjust according to our wrist length. So this is the extension and this is the lobster clasp. So using the pliers, I open the jump ring and insert the jump ring into this first hole of the extension, and then close the jump ring. Now I do the same for the other side, except I put on the lobster clasp. And here we are finally finished making our bracelet. If you enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to leave a like and share this to your friends. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.